Yo, what is going on, guys? Drake here with Sim Unlock Phone's official YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to be showing you guys how to save Instagram posts to your camera roll.
If you get on Instagram a lot and you see photos that you like and you want to screenshot, but you don't want to actually screenshot your actual Instagram, your part of your phone, then in this tutorial we're going to show you guys how to screenshot only the picture, how to save it without screenshotting. Let's get right into it. So the first thing that we will need to do is just download an app called Quick Save. It's on the App Store. Just type in Quick Save at top, and it's this app right here. All you have to do is download it, and you're good. Now, once we download it, we're going to go ahead and open it, and now it's going to have you sign in your Instagram. So I'm going to sign into my IG here. And alright, so once we sign in here, just click I agree. Go to whatever picture that you want to find. I'm just going to scroll through here. Alright, and just click the picture that you want to save. Click save right here, save your camera roll, and the image has successfully saved. And that's really it, guys. So this was just a very quick and easy tutorial for how to save Instagram photos to your iPhone.
Hopefully you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Hopefully you guys it helped you out. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and signing off, this is Drake with Sim Unlock Phone. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.